This is Mitch Panter with the law firm of Panter Sampedro. We're going to talk today about some questions that have been presented to us as it relates to medical malpractice cases. The first question is, why do I need a permanent or serious injury to be considered for a medical malpractice case? And do we recommend a doctor for a second opinion? Let's take the first case. Medical malpractice cases are very expensive, very time-consuming, and very difficult. For more than 30 years, the lawyers at Panter Sampedro have been representing injured people that have been injured and harmed due to the negligence of others, specifically doctors in this particular case, or healthcare providers. However, before we can accept your case, we need to find out several things. The first we need to find out is, where did the accident happen? Who is the responsible party? Does that party have appropriate insurance coverage? Certain state institutions and state-run hospitals have immunity, which means that we're limited in the amount of money that we can recover for you. This is by law and has nothing to do with anything we've done. It's just, unfortunately, the law exists like that. If you have a question about who your responsible party is, call us and talk to us, and we'll educate you on that, and that might run into why we will or will not accept your case. Generally speaking, lawyers in medical malpractice cases that represent injured victims need to have a more serious injury. Unfortunately, if your injury does not rise to the level that makes it worthwhile from an economic or business perspective, most lawyers won't accept the case. Medical malpractice cases often take a great deal of time, effort, and energy, as well as money. The resources that we have at Panter Sampedro enable us to continue to represent people, but we need to look at the case to determine whether or not your case is one that we can proceed with that will benefit both you and your family in the event that you were a victim of medical malpractice. The next question relates to a second opinion. Oftentimes when clients call us, they have a problem with what the doctor has done or what the doctor is contemplating doing, and so they'll ask us, can we get a second opinion? For more than 30 years, the lawyers here at Panter Sampedro have worked in our community. We've worked with numerous doctors that enable us to get a second opinion. So if you have a question about the type of care that you've received, give us a call, let us talk to you, let us find out whether you have a case that we can proceed on. Panter Sampedro is proud of our involvement in the community and the work we've done in medical malpractice cases. Call us today at 305-662-6178. Visit our website at panterlaw.com. Panter Sampedro is a law firm dedicated to protecting Florida's families.